Hey everyone, Andrew Heffley here with Precision Line Window Washing. I'm out here down on this cabin. Beautiful, fantastic view. You just can't beat it. Just a wonderful little place over here. Now, I wanted to come to you today just kind of briefly as I'm here at this job, cleaning this cabin. I've had people ask, why really should you upkeep your screen so much? And people, they really only notice the window panes and they don't think too much about these screens or the issues that can happen from not cleaning these screens. And so I always tell everyone, even in our base package, it's going to include screen cleaning. Now today we're doing a premium package, so we're detailing the exterior of the window panes, we're doing the inside, we're doing the tracks, and we're doing the screens. But even with the lowest package you can purchase through Precision Line Window Washing, our base package has the screens being cleaned and the tracks. Now the reason why, let me show you, be patient with me. Here's, I gotta take the screen off right quick. Is what happens is when you have these screens and you don't look at them once or twice a year at minimum, you're gonna start getting all this buildup, and I'll show you right now. I'm sure you can probably see all this, and you may have this in yours, and if you haven't cleaned your windows in over a year at least, then you probably have this too. Now this is several years of buildup. This is quite a bit of buildup. One of the easiest things you can do at home if you are DIY or do it yourself and you like to kind of clean your own windows, clean your own stuff, which definitely by all means anyone can clean. It's just a matter of with us, we like to save you a little bit of time, super affordable. But the first thing I want to tell you is just buy one of these handy dandy can openers. You can go to any box office store. You can go to the big Walmart store if you wanted to, or Lowe's or Home Depot, any of them. And you just purchase one of these. They're usually like, what, 45 cents or something? I'm not quite sure, but super cheap, super reasonable. And I mean, they're gonna last for a long time. You may lose them, kind of easy to misplace, so we like to always keep 4 or 5 of them in the vehicle at all times. But let me just show you how easy this is. You take this here and you just put it in there, just like so. And you kind of, some of this stuff you have to kind of go back and forth and kind of work with a little bit. Oh man, this one's so much for trying to make a quick and easy video for you, right? Well, it doesn't get much realer than this. That's good. And then the rest of it you can just kind of slide on down, and you see it comes right out. There's really not a whole lot to it. Pretty gonna save you a lot of time, save you a lot of hassle trying to get your finger up in there, try to use a cloth to get that out. Now all you have to do, if you want to get the rest of that dirt out, you can have a little bit of spray. We really love using this. Not only does it have our cleaning solution in it for the window panes, or you can just put a little bit on there and now we're ready to clean the window, but you can also go into these grooves here and kind of wet that down, and it makes it so much easier to be able to clean that. It's just a fantastic option. Anyways, this is Andrew Heffley with Precision Line Window Washing. I hope everyone's having a wonderful spring. This is beautiful weather. I mean, just fantastic. I'm definitely excited to be able to bring the family out here pretty soon to go out to that lake and just enjoy it when the weather gets a little bit warmer. That water's still a little bit cold. But if you're needing someone to help you with your window cleaning and you'd like some professional, affordable, and respectful company to come out and clean your windows, by all means give us a call. You can click a link. It'll be somewhere either above this video or below this video, and you can send us your information, contact information, and of course the screen and approved representative will contact you in a timely manner and discuss your window cleaning needs. Alright, this is Andrew Heffley again, Precision Line Window Washing. I hope that's helped some of y'all out. Anyone that struggled, remember, just buy one of these. They're super awesome to have when it comes to cleaning out these little sections here. And definitely take care of your screens, okay, because that buildup, it's going to hold in moisture. It can end up tearing these sills up and just cause you a lot more headaches down the road. Alright, thank you very much.